Some businesses grow in a steady rhythm, while others move in spikes. What creates that difference? Predictability is not something businesses wait for. It is something they design into their operations. Look at how different industries operate. In logistics, every movement is tracked across a route. In manufacturing, every stage follows a defined process. In SaaS, every deal moves through a visible pipeline. They all follow one principle: work flows through a system, not through assumptions. Inside most service organizations, work is active across teams, tasks, and timelines. Where it moves from one stage to the next, teams contribute along the way, and information builds as it flows. This creates movement, but not always clarity. Because predictability doesn't come from activity alone, it comes from how clearly that movement is structured. When flow is clear, you start seeing how work progresses across stages. You understand how effort builds into outcomes. You recognize how consistency forms over time. And that's where predictability starts taking shape. That's where the real shift happens. When work is not just tracked, but flows through a connected system. With Bizio, work moves through structured workflows, so every stage stays connected, and every outcome becomes visible as it builds. You see what is moving forward, you know where attention is needed, and outcomes become more predictable. Because predictable revenue is not achieved at the end. It is designed into how work flows. When your workflow is structured, your outcomes become predictable. If you want to build that level of consistency into your operations, explore how Bizio can help you connect your entire workflow in one system.